We all deserve a little break from our daily labor, especially those who really labor. Respect to those who do the, hey, it has to get done kind of labor. The, who even knew that was a job kind of labor. The small jobs that mean a lot. And the ones that maybe we could have lived without. Those who balance multiple jobs without complaint. So here's a shout out for doing that job that's a little over your head, but you do it anyway. And those maybe you shouldn't even attempt that kind of jobs. To the folks who will most likely find a project to do, even on a national day of rest. Thanks for laboring for the love of it. But just for today, maybe take a load off.
Yeah, just as soon as I take this load off.
Happy Labor Day. We'll see you back at it tomorrow.